Good night, tutor and partners. Receive a warm greeting. My name is Hector Pulido Diaz. I am senior work in control and quality in the company of Seismic Explorer in the municipality of Trinidad Casanare. Study environmental engineering in the city of Sogamoso, Boyacá. Currently 10th semester course. My hobbies are playing video games, listening to music, and practicing swimming. My interests are to learn and apply my university knowledge in my work. Tips to go Villavicencio. Last November I went to Villavicencio. It was great. I went there with my sister and I did not have to pay much because I visited my family. So I studied there for a cheap price. I visited different places like the Maloquis Park and the sides of the Amazonas River. The most impressive place was the landscape from the park. I studied in Villavicencio 3 weeks and I came back on January. The weather in Villavicencio. The weather in Villavicencio is very variable. In the morning it is usually cool, but it becomes sunny at noon. It is recommended that people wear warm clothes in the morning and light clothes at noon in Villavicencio. What you should do? People should go to Maloquis Park. People should surrender the beautiful mountainous scenery and greenery. People should be in time for the Joropo International Dance Tournament. What you should do not do? People should not go to the nights like the cows will be dangerous. People should not hide put the animals in the biopark Los Ocarros. People should not throw garbage if you visit the river Caño Cristal. Thank you.